Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Before we start the meeting today, let's we open the meeting by saying Basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Thank you. Hopefully, today's meeting will run smoothly. Then the meeting will be chaired by Ms. Rekan India as President of the Director. For Ms. Rekan India, please start a discussion.
Okay, at this meeting, we will discuss about risk management in business, namely by discussing the strict security and privacy compliance standard required in business and what internal control are in place to protect the business. In your opinion, what risk will we encounter in doing business and how to prevent this risk? Please issue your opinions.
Okay, the risks that occur in business are firstly, secondly, unstable market condition, and the third is bankruptcy. How to deal with damage in the business, namely the first, correctly identifying the problem at hand. After the fear, you can invite people with specific skill to help you in finding solution. The second is doing the let's innovation. How many businesses that have been initiated for a long time then lost money? However, they can bounce back by making their best innovation. For example, vlogging is a popular hobby these days. Maybe you can take a marketing approach by holding a vlog content with price for your product. Thank you.
Sorry, but in my opinion, if you ask a folk with praise, surely they are only interested in the price compared to our product. Moreover, we have to look for a gift that might make them interested in joining the flock. That is my opinion. Next.
Okay, deal with our life like business become the process come this in the inter and as to enter with business cost. Business operating cost with you only how can use in your hand since beginning of starting a business you require to have life secure. Insert so that when you open the objective in the offer can still be open.
Okay, compliance means the risk or uncertainty caused by non-compliance with written or unwritten regulation or laws established by the local government. The risk of compliance in doing business, for example, in an area prohibits business activities with the theme of children's games such as playstations because it can cause children to be lazy to learn. Thank you.
Some things that can prevent operational risk are to use human resources here who are trained and professional in their field. If our marketing and ordering uses website technology, we recommend that we have a second website to help make the order process, or it can also be a notification about our company information. We can also take advantage of social media to prevent deterioration of our company reputation.
Okay, of course, it would be better if buying and selling system was carried out with separate times. For example, sales on credit should be secured with a guarantee from the customer. If possible, the company should not take debt. It is not to sell a few shares if it wants to develop its business and if the transaction is already on international scale. Of course, it should be calculated first before making an agreement because of course the price to the product will change from to time. Thank you.
Okay. Reputation risk also occurs to the unpleasant things. Therefore, it's a better avoid the risk. We must keep our employees in order to always behave, but inside and outside the company. Always maintain product quality and excellent service. Don't be easily tempted by something the same, distant, and dubious. Stay true to the product and quality that we provide to customers because the company reputation is very important to able to collaborate with other companies. Because how could the company want to work together if the company has a bad reputation? But in my opinion, don't put too much pressure in employees because the results are turned upside down from our expectation. We will also give motivation and encouragement and also set a good example so that everyone also emulate good things and avoid repetition risk. Thank you.
Well, thank you everyone. Please, Miss Reza, to convey the message of this meeting.
Thank you, Ms. Ekamelia. Minutes of meeting. That's Monday, 28 December 2020. Time 20 p.m. The place via Zoom. Our purpose, you know what risks will encounter in doing business and how to prevent these risks. Participants, Reka Melia, Leader, Reza Yulianisi Pratiwi, Notulen, Dea Nurfitri, Nurul Khofifah Febrianti, Indah Ratnasari, Retno Triseptiani, Rima Melisa Putri. Discussion, discussing the strict security and privacy compliance standards required in business and what internal controls are in place to protect the business. Description. So, in business, there are risks such as loss, unstable market conditions, and bankruptcy. The way to deal with risk in the business, namely the first, is to identify correctly the problem your business is experiencing. Once you know the problem, you can invite people with specific skill to help you find solution. The second, the school latest innovation, how many businesses that have been initiated for a long time then lost money. However, they can come back to life by making innovations that were like back the people of their time. Okay, thank you to the audience and the chief director who took the time to attend this meeting. I ask the Missy Wall like to apologize profusely if there is an error to close today's problems. Let's say Alhamdulillah together.
Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.